So there's these two little boys, right? And they love their daddy. They're always with their daddy. They want to be up their daddy's butt. But their mom's always like, being a mom. You know what I'm talking about? No offense, Ariel, but being a mom. Like, we want to go ride a dirt bike. Nope, can't do it by yourself. Dad's not here. You're not riding a dirt bike. We gonna, I don't know. We want to go get in the loft for the moment. Nope, can't do it by yourself. Sees them trying to do something fun, play firecrackers. Put those away, you're gonna blow your hand off. Normal mom shit, right? So these two little boys, in the quest for respect from their mother, want to be a man. Just like their daddy. They're like, I want to be a man. I'm sick of this shit. And the other little boy's like, man, I'm sick of this shit too. She's always on her ass. She's always doing whatever, saying whatever. It's always something, man. Never just lets us do what we want to do. We're grown, Brandon. We're grown. You know what I mean? Like, this is bullcrap. So they're in their room one day. It's a snowy day. School's tomorrow. Snow's melting. There's nothing to do. They're sitting up there. One of them says, how are we going to get mom to respect us more? The other one says, I don't know, man. Well, she kisses dad every day. When she gets home, lets him do whatever he wants. He goes hunting. He goes fishing. He shoots guns. She lets him do whatever he wants to do. What do we do different than dad does? We try to be just like him every day. And the other little boy looks at him and says, man, I think it's how he talks to her. He says, what do you mean? He said, well, dad don't take no shit from her. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's just like, woman, I'm going hunting. And he goes hunting. You know what I'm saying? He's like, well, that don't make no sense either. He said, well, maybe it's, we do that too. And she just tells us no. And he's like, well, maybe it's where he says, woman, I'm going hunting whether you like it or not. Or maybe it's just where he says, I'm going to the fucking woods. And he goes to the woods. That's it, the other one says. He says, man, it's the cussing. Dad says in cuss words, and mom's scared of it. Mom don't mess with him. You know what I'm saying? She knows he's a man. So they sit up there in the room and they practice. One of them says, hand me a damn Legos over here. And he goes, ooh, that's pretty good. He said, I like that. And he said, let me try. He goes, here's your fucking Legos. And he hands them back to him. He goes, oh man, we got this down pat. So they practice this all night, right? 2 o'clock in the morning, they fall asleep. They wake up the next morning. They go downstairs to the kitchen table. They sit down. Mom comes in there, curlers in her hair, bathrobe on, 2 kinds of bad moods. She was in 2 bad moods that day. You know what I mean? One of them deals. She walks up. What do y'all want for breakfast? And the first little boy with a big smile on his face says, give me some of them damn Cheerios over there. He smacks his brains out of his fucking head. Smacks him, out in the middle of the floor. His kid just lays out on the floor. And she has knocked his block off. She looks at the other little boy and says, what do you want for breakfast? He said, I sure the fuck don't want none of them goddamn Cheerios. And that's your joke of the day.